3, 2. Oh no, the car's in front braking. 1.
Oh, you're right.
Woo! Good afternoon, everybody. It's Emily here, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, the 26th of August. So yesterday we went to Busch Garden, so there wasn't a vlog for yesterday. But today we're doing 2 parks. So we're going to Typhoon Lagoon first.
We've never done that before.
Never been to Typhoon Lagoon before. We went to Blizzard Beach when we came 6 years ago. But I think we went to Aquatica last time, and then 3 years ago, and then Typhoon Lagoon. So yeah, and then the second park we're going to is Animal Kingdom, because we're gonna see Rivers of Light, which should be cool. We'll see you when we get there. So we're at Typhoon Lagoon now. You excited, Dada?
I'm excited, it's nice and warm. Lots of people leaving, which is quite nice. Hopefully there'll be some room on the rides.
Yeah, and I got my case thing so I can film in the water. So it's super hot and super busy at Typhoon Lagoon today. So do not go on a Sunday, because we decided just to come out because there was no shade anywhere. So we just decided to come away. So I think we're just gonna go to Animal Kingdom now. See you at Animal Kingdom. Yeah. So we're at Animal Kingdom. Yeah, I've changed my t-shirt because I have my swimming costume underneath, and it was super sticky and horrible. You really needed to know that.
Are you
Yeah. So we're now heading into Animal Kingdom. It's still not our last time though, because we've got one more Flight of Passage Fast Pass on Tuesday, which is our last day.
That's my favourite ride, so yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go into the park. So the last time we came to Animal Kingdom, which was on Tuesday, I did try to film, but because I was having storage problems, I had to film it on Snapchat, and Snapchat did some stuff to my videos, and it like cut the start and the end of each like separate video I filmed. So I decided not to upload that one, which I think I mentioned in the Hollywood Studios vlog, which is the one after. But if you really want to see what we did, we just comment or something, and then I'll try and make something out of the footage I filmed. But yeah, so I think we're now heading over to Africa area-ish, because our fast pass for Navi River, I think our first one isn't until like about 20-ish minutes. So we're now heading over to Africa to get
A Dole Whip.
Ooh. Yeah, I've never actually had a Dole Whip before, so this should be nice. Yeah, we're in Africa! Yay! It's so good. I really like it. It's like really pineapple-y and nice. It's so good, but it's really hot, so it's melting like super quick. But
I got Mickey's ice cream sundae. Wait, you can't do it.
after some nice Dole Whips, we just went into Harambe and found some of the walls, like the most beautiful wall. Then you have the one that says like, it does not matter where you come from, or children's bar, something like that. That's over there-ish. And then the one that's like the Mickey one's just down over there. So in like this marketplace on the wall. But yeah, we didn't know where they were, so we had quite a lot of fun finding them. And you probably can't hear me because the music is super loud, but yeah. So we're now heading to my favourite place in the whole of Animal Kingdom. Guess what it is? Someone.
Pandora.
Pandora is my favourite place in Animal Kingdom. I love it so much, it's so pretty. So yeah, we've got fast pass for Navi River. So yeah, the camera does not actually, it doesn't do it justice at all. How pretty it is. I love it so nice. So yeah, we're now going around to Navi River, and I think they have the drummer people on the drums. You can join in, Dad.
I'm going to join in. Here we go.
Yeah, look. 5-minute wait normally, so I think this is probably a good idea. Front on that ride on when do we come? Tuesday. On Tuesday. So yeah, second time. It was really good, wasn't it, Dad?
It was excellent. I really recommend that ride for calming the nerves and just taking the stress out of the day. It's a really good one.
Yeah, it's such like, I don't know, it's really calm and nice. Oh, I can feel water coming off the waterfall thing. Such a good background. Like film my videos here. So we're now leaving Pandora, but we are coming back here for the last time on Tuesday for one more ride on Flight of Passage before it's our last Disney day. So yeah, I think we're now heading over to Cali Rapids because our fast pass isn't for like 25 minutes. But yeah. Do you like Cali Rapids, Dad?
Yeah, I do. I love Cali Rapids. Yeah. It's a good ride. You get a bit wet on it, but when it's as hot as it is, then that's not a problem, is it?
It's not actually too hot now. It would have been better to go on it like earlier on in the day, but it is cooled down a lot now. But yeah, it started to rain again, so for the too many times to count this holiday, we're hiding out in a shop again, waiting for the rain to finish.
I don't mind the rain so much, it's the lightning, because the lightning comes along and then they shut the ride.
We've now lost Mum and Jemima in the depths of the deep dark shop. We're going into Asia and on Cali River Rapids in the rain. It should be fun. So the standby is only 5 minutes, but we're going to do the fast pass, obviously. Mum's going to sit this one out because she did this one when we came 6 years ago and she did not like it at all because she got soaked on it. Because on Splash Mountain you don't actually get that much wet, do you? Probably like the only log flume you don't get wet on. So apparently there's like thunder and lightning in the area, so we didn't get to go on Cali River Rapids, which is disappointing. The amount of rides we've been like not been able to go on this holiday because of like, I know they can't help it because of weather, it's just like, oh my gosh. But it's just sort of annoying because Jimmy really wanted to do that ride. So, but and they said if you come back at night, there's no wait. We're supposed to be seeing Rivers of Light tonight. It hasn't actually rained since they shut down Cali River Rapids, but our fast pass for Kilimanjaro Safari, I don't think what it was called then, is in about 10-15 minutes-ish. We're going there now. So hopefully we should see some lions this time because we didn't see any lions last time, and I really like lions because I find them really cool.
Thinking behind this is we're doing this safari at a different time of the day. Hopefully we'll see a whole set of different animals. That's the plan. Who knows?
Yeah, because last time we did like a midday, and this time we're sort of doing it later on when it's cooled down a bit. It's just 7:07, so yeah.
Some giraffes coming over here to our left-hand side seem to have migrated back into those trees over there. So there's a couple of male giraffes that are doing this thing right here. Watch, they're going to swing their necks up against each other. Choose your fighter. No, I'm kidding. They're doing this thing called necking. It's something that male giraffes do, younger male giraffes do, just to learn about dominance. It's just kind of like roughhousing. They'll swing their necks against each other like that. Yeah, it's called necking. These are giraffes, Maasai giraffes. You can tell because they take pride in lions. Not too commonly known.
That's so cool because we got to see the lions. I really want to see the lions because lions are one of my favourite animals because I'm a Gryffindor. And the symbol for Gryffindor is a lion. And I think I took like a small video of their backs, but like I was taking photos when we saw the front, so I'll probably put a picture in now. Yeah, I have no idea what we're doing next. So Cali River Rapids is only a 5-minute wait because it's reopened because I didn't actually see any lightning anywhere. But we're gonna go on that now. Way. And Everest is only a 10-minute wait, but if we want to see Rivers of Light, we'll probably only have time to do one. And because seeing as we have a fast pass for Everest on Tuesday, last Disney day, I've mentioned it a couple of times, I'm really sad and not looking forward to it. Even though, we have a surprise. We have a surprise on Tuesday. We know what it is, I'm not going to tell you till Tuesday. Subscribe to my channel to see what it is. It's going to be good. It's going to be a good vlog.
It's gonna be a good one.
It's
It's gonna be a good one.
So, yeah, so we're going to go on Cali River Rapids, I think. Oh, and there's some music going on. You do know I'm going to put that in the vlog.
Yeah, I do.
And the Tree of Life looking so cool behind me.
Is that the Tree of Life? Where?
We're back on Cali River Rapids again. 5-minute wait. In the standby queue this time. So here we go.
We're on.
Going up and you can't see me.
Oh, get wet! Yay!
Oh, is this the big one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm not even that wet. I'm literally not wet.
Was that the big drop?
Yeah. I think so. I'm not even wet.
Oh yeah.
I got more wet from like that fountain thing. So, Cali River Rapids was good. I'm not even that wet. We need to get to the River's Light because I'm not sure we're going to get a seat this right. But Jimmy, what do you think?
It was really cool.
As I said, actually, because I didn't upload the vlog, but I've never been at Animal Kingdom at night before, obviously, because you never used to. So this is my first time seeing Everest. Just found out that entrance to Rivers of Light is in, for standby, is in Dinoland. So, and we're now in Asia, so that's going to be fun. But literally, Everest looks so cool. We just walked around about half the park. About 5-ish minutes later, we've at the entrance to Rivers of Light, and it looks pretty. There was a lot of confusion, but I think we're alright now. We got here like 15 minutes before it started and there's still seats, so if you think you get that late, don't really worry about it, it'll be fine. And it's a Sunday night as well. You looking forward to it?
I am, not seen this before. It's exciting. Looks pretty good too.
Yeah, I've quite liked it. It wasn't like absolutely incredible, but it was still really good because obviously they can't have fireworks because it would scare the animals. But yeah, I liked it. What do you think, Dada?
I thought it was awesome. I thought it was brilliant. I thought so clever the way they made those animals move
really
on the
clever.
water.
I like all the projections and stuff. It's really cool.
It hasn't got the crash bang wallop of Fantasmic,
Or Happily Ever After.
but it's a different type of show. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's different.
It's real good.
Yeah. So I think we're just heading out of Animal Kingdom. But it's not our last time yet. We're coming back on Tuesday. Yeah, there was a bit of confusion of getting in, but we were alright in the end. And yeah, it turned out good. Yeah, it's dark and it's gonna be super, super busy. But even though it's not our last time at Animal Kingdom, it's our last time at Animal Kingdom seeing it dark.
Yeah, all the parks got a different vibe when it's dark. It's like more laid back and
When we came on
relaxed
Tuesday,
vibe.
When we came on Tuesday, we saw Pandora in the dark, and that was really cool. But I don't think it had its like full effect on because it was raining, so everything was a bit wet and stuff. But so we got to end the vlog yesterday. So remember to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel to see the rest of the videos. Yay! and secret information. We're going to Epcot and Magic Kingdom today in like the week after vlog. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye. See you next week.